a minced meat wrap which is juicy and yummy, perfect for Ramadan preparation. They are easy to make at home. Let's make it today. Before we get into the video, here's something I have to say you all. I want to thank each one of you for all your love and support. Every like and comment keeps me motivated. Continue supporting for more amazing videos. Let's heat up a pan. Add some oil. And already chopped some onions and green chilli. Adding it into a pan. Let's saute it. Adding some ginger garlic paste. And now fresh minced meat. You can add any minced meat of your choice. Let's saute it for a few minutes. Adding some salt, you can add accordingly. Some vinegar. Paprika powder. Red chili powder. Coriander powder. Some garam masala and pepper powder. Closing up the lid so that the meat will cook. After 10 minutes, I'm opening it. You can see the juiciness of the meat now. I'm adding a well whisked curd now. Leave it for 5 minutes and add some capsicums on the top. Let's saute it so that the capsicum get well blend. And to garnish, I'm adding some spring onions. Our meat stuffing is ready. Let's make it a wrap now. Time to make a wrap. Now I'm taking a tortilla wrap here. You can choose any wraps of your choice. Either it would be a chapati or paratha. Adding some mayonnaise and minced meat on a top. Some grated cheese and some freshly chopped lettuce. I'm wrapping it. I'm placing a wrap in a heated pan. I'm not adding any oil or ghee. Flip it on both the sides. Now the wrap is ready. Can you hear the crunch? Give it a try, you will love it. Thanks for watching. See you again with another awesome video. Bye bye.